You're now in Karkar and we are headed to Karkar.
What's up, Manjun?
Dito Ilaris, map. Dito may padong ni Ilaris. And yun, dito around Cebu for today's vlog.
South of Cebu.
South of Cebu, west of Cebu, Philippine Sea, West Philippine Sea.
Ano ba talaga?
So mag-round south na for today's vlog. May ganit natin Lincoln na driver.
And another vlogger.
And another vlogger.
Competitor.
Pa-copy sa imong video. Kaya barang nito kag mga video niya.
Sa zero. Pagkasulag eh.
Di man ako makuha.
Sirado sa paa. Kanairada rin.
Yo, what's up? Peejay here, and in today's vlog, we will travel mag-round south na ninyo. So, we will go to Barili, Karkar, and along the way, di ba? So, we will tour you here in Cebu, South Cebu. So, currently, we are in Barili. So, ang Barili kuno na here ang source of mga chicharon sa Karkar. So, this is the stopover. You can see the view. Wow. Look at that. The beauty of nature, di ba? Mountains, trees. Nice. So, pwede na mo mag-stop over here for pictures, or if ganahan mo mag-take sa inyong breakfast, you can have it here. Kinit-kinit lang sa daan, but the view, nindot kaya, you can see nature at its best. So mag-breakfast kami here. We'll have our breakfast and then I think we'll go somewhere next. So i-update na mo guys. So yun, stay tuned mo kung asa mi next stop na mo. Asa ta next? Anywhere. Muna nindot sa road trip kay anywhere.
Anywhere.
Walay plano basta kung asa maabtan.
Puno na ta sa sunod ka station.
Station.
Absalasan lang.
Matanong ko na.
Barili 10, Alubinsan 15 diri sa
Diri ang party.
Milk Station? Dili ka pa yan ako.
Mag-video lang kita.
Mag-video lang gud ta. Wala pa sa ko naka-naog dara.
So this is our second stop, kaning milk station here in Barili. So this is fresh goat's milk. Imagine that, fresh from goats, galing sa dodo ng goat. So yeah, we will try kung unsay lasa sa goat's milk. Hopefully, dili maglain atong tiyan. Okay lang yung chan natin sa goat's milk. So let's go and check out the place here in Barili. You can find it lang. And here's the street. There you can see the sign, milk station, and that's it. That's the place. Let's go. Goat's milk, no?
Cow's milk.
Kay cow po day. Good. Na po day cow's milk. So careful lang mo sa pagtabok.
for case, 100 person sa na-allow.
Ulit alam mo ko ano. Kurig lang ta nila. Asa doon spot? Anywhere, ha?
Wow. Kawa na normally good.
So naglalis pa mi kung cow or goat. So mag-order na lang mi. Mag-order na lang mi kung cow ba or goat. Ang ilang gatas here in Barili.
Alitalia.
One point each. How goat ra na?
Lami naman ka ng goat's milk. Lami na, basta fresh. Bugnaw, fresh.
Uy, na-video mo sa doon sa mga ano.
Okay, order. So nag-order mig goat's milk kay more lang available but lami lang goat's milk kay basta fresh kani bugnaw pa.
Nora.
Ayos kayo.
Punta sana, why reaction?
Kumusta imo hang kaning Coke's milk? Coke's Coke's milk niya.
Coke's milk is life. Coke's milk.
Okay. Di siya bear brand, ano siya?
Mas ito na soya ng milk sa goat. Fresh. Baas na ang motor ay. Kumusta man na yung goat's milk? Murag bear brand.
Lamig siya pero tamis. Ang ano?
Recommended? Kay naanam gyud ka sa Barili, no? Coke's milk.
Coke's milk.
Tagay sa Tagumpay.
Hindi pwede trademark.
Enjoy lagi.
Enjoy lami. Nag 100 nga goat's milk. So, if moagi mo here in Barili, definitely you should try here in milk station. I-recommend ni Ronald Chan. Tagiyan din siya sa milk station.
Kadingan.
Yeah, actually na sila cow's milk, goat's milk, Carabao's milk. But for today, wala ni available goat's milk. So, must try kay naa naman kita. Fresh from goat's dodo.
Putangan na exact title na siya pasabot sa dodo.
Basta i-bleep na lang, i-bleep. Ah.
Sense na ganito. Zero.